So, student, you know well that kidney is performing a very important function, that is detoxification and removal of the nitrogenous waste from our body. Except kidney, or we can say in addition to kidney, there are some other organs which are playing a major role to some extent. The removal of the wastage from the body. For example, skin is playing a major role. Our skin. Skin concerned to excretion? Yes. Our lungs. Our liver. And our intestine as well. All these four are playing some role in excretion. First of all, I am taking the role of the skin. Student, you know well that skin is concerned to the sweating. Okay. So now excretion role of skin. Number one, sweat gland or sudoriferous gland. Sweat gland are also known as the sudoriferous gland, helping in the removal of the excretory waste. And oil gland, also known as the sebaceous gland. So what are the function of these two glands? Sweat produced by the sweat gland. Sweat, you know well. Sweat produced by the sweat gland. It is a watery fluid which also contain water plus lactic acid, NaCl and urea. Water plus lactic acid plus NaCl plus urea. This is sweat. So sweat tastes salty due to presence of the NaCl. Sweat also tastes like sour because due to presence of the lactic acid. Now come to the sebaceous gland. Sebaceous glands eliminates certain substances from our body such as sterols, hydrocarbons and wax in the form of the sebum. You feel like pimple-like structure on the face, pimple-like acne. When you pinch it off, contains sebum. Sebum is what? Nothing but the secretion of hydrocarbon, sterol, wax. Now come to the other role. Come to the next, that is lungs, excretory role of the lungs in our body. You know, you will be surprised to know that our lungs is excreting large amount of CO2. That is 18 liters per day. And a significant quantity of water as well. Now the third, excretory role of liver. Liver is most important organ in our body. It secretes some or detoxify our body by secreting, by removing the bile containing pigment. Bile containing pigment. For example, bilirubin, biliverdins. In addition to these two, cholesterol and degraded steroid hormone, the hormone which are degrading in our body, steroid hormones secreted out, degraded vitamins, degraded drugs. These all are secreted via liver. And come to the fourth one, that is our intestine, excretory role of our intestine. Intestine is not only concerned with the defecation or with the digestion or with the absorption, it is also playing an important role in the excretion. The epithelial cells of the colon is the part of the large intestine, removes some salt from the body. For example, calcium, iron, magnesium, and other heavy metals are removed with the help of the colon. So, these all four organs are also playing an important role in excretion. They are helping the kidneys. Is that clear, students?